going to show you how to set up your equipment and supplies in the system. So first, if you're a system administrator, go to Settings icon at the top right, click on System Settings in the flyout menu. Once you're on the administrator screen, go to the top or the Global Settings section and click on the Equipment icon, which is the fourth one to the left. Once you click on the icon, you'll be brought to the Equipment and Supplies section where you can add equipment and supplies that are going to be on a particular work order. So you set it up here, and then once you create a work order for a recycling order, you'll be able to choose which equipment you need to bring on site. So we have here moving straps, dollies, boxes, boards, gaylords, pallets, etc. So if you want to create new equipment in the system, click Add Equipment. In this case, I'm just going to say rope. I'm going to click OK. So rope was added to the system. You can see all the different orders that these items are utilized in. And now I'm going to show you where in the work order, when you're creating a work order, where you can select the equipment and supplies, where it carries over to. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click on Recycling, Inbound Orders. I'm going to create a new order. I'm going to choose customer ABC123. I'm going to say this is a test. Choose my service time, estimate my pallet count, estimate my total weight, and then I'm going to go to the top here. I'm going to move to the next part of creating my work order. Typically you can just get by with this, but if you need to provide specific details about the order, you want to fill it out a little bit more detailed. So I'm going to proceed as an order. And if you notice here on the order details, this is where you select the building logistics, the location details, pickup and processing notes if you want to alert your team if there's any special instructions on how to process the material. And then on the right hand side you can see equipment and supplies that are required to bring on site. So if the customer is requiring you to bring specific equipment on site to fulfill this order, you can fill that out here and then produce a work order, give it to your driver, and he knows exactly what he needs to bring to do the order. So in this case, I'm going to select rope because I just added rope into the system settings in the beginning of this demo. I'm going to choose pallets, J-bars, moving cart, and you can change the quantity here, obviously, to tell you how many you have to bring. I'm just going to save this order, and inbound order 10429 was created. So we're not going to receive this in, but I do want to show you how you can actually download the paperwork and see where the equipment and supplies gets carried over to. So 10429, I selected the order. I'm going to download it. I'm going to choose my work order. That's what I want to preview. And you'll see how the equipment and supplies gets carried over. So on the work order, you have location details, pickup, processing notes. So if I entered that information on the order detail section, it would be included here. Services, same thing. But if you look at the bottom, equipment required 2 J-bars, 2 moving carts, 1 pallet, and 2 rope. So here's where you give this to your driver before he leaves your site, and he goes on site and he knows exactly what to bring, and there you go. So you just learned how to add equipment to the system, how to apply it to a work order, and download the paperwork and provide it to your driver. If you have any questions, email support@RazorERP.com, or you can always check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Thanks. Bye.